Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on sequence data type. In this lecture, we will learn about the types of data that we call sequence data type in Python. There are four types of sequence data type that we will work. First one is a string data type, second one is a list, and third one is an array, and fourth one is a tuple. As a string is a sequence of characters included with the single quotation or double quotation marks, and a list is a sequence of multiple data type enclosed with the square brackets, and array is a sequence of data with the similar type. Like if we have the data of integer, then all the data should be integer, and if we have the sequence of data of character, then all the data should be character. And the fourth one is a tuple, with a sequence of compound data. It is similar to the list, but there is some difference that we will discuss before the completion of the slide. So first we understand what is the string. The string is a sequence data type because there is a sequence of characters. Suppose we have a variable str name equals to data signs we have written within a single quotation mark, and then print str name, and when we run the program, then we will get the string data signs. So we can say that a string is a collection of characters which can be enclosed within the single quotation or a double quotation mark. Next sequence data type is called the list, which is enclosed with the square bracket. And suppose we have a list variable name lstval, which have the value 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. It have the duplicate values also. And when we print the lstval, then we will get the value 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, which is used in the lstval. And next one, you can also see here, list is also a collection of mixed data type. That means here we have the integer variable values, and we also have the string value named Jupiter. So we can have the string value, integer value, float value, or a combination of different data types in a list variable. And when we run it, then we will get the values 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and Jupiter. For array, we have to first import the functions of the array. For that, we have to use from array import star. That means, so we can use all the functions of array without writing it. So arr_var is the variable name that we have used for creating the array, and arr. Then within the small bracket, we have to write the type of the array we are using. Here I represent the integer value, and in the square bracket we have mentioned the number of values we have used as in the format of list, so that we have used the square bracket. And when we print arr_val, we run it and we get the value same as we have declared it. But if we want to display the value inside the array, for that we have to use the for loop here for x in arr_var and print x. When we run it, we get the value 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the array, and I represent the array. Similar different types of values are here. Like here you can see here we have used I, which represent the signed integer, and the size is 2 bytes. If we want to use a float variable as an array, so you have to use f inside the single quotation bracket with the size of 4. Similarly for double, it is d. For signed long integer, it is q, and similarly these are the list I have provided you if you want to create an array other than the integer values. So here I represent the integer array. Next one is a tuple, which is also called the sequence data type. There is some list and similar list and tuples are similar. This only difference is that the tuple values cannot be updated or modified after the creation of the tuple, but you can modify the value of the list. So for the tuple value, we have used the single, you have used the small bracket, and for the list we have used the square brackets, and we have also used the different data type or a mixed data type like we have used in a list, like 1, 2, 3 separated by the comma, and the data signs is a string which is enclosed within the single quotation mark. So when we run it, it doesn't give you any output because we have not printed. So for displaying it, we have to use print command for that. So when we print it, we get the value of the tuple. We can also use tuple without using any parenthesis, like this one, 1, 2, 3, data science, which is called the tuple packing. So we do not need the bracket to pack the data inside the bracket. But when we print it, tuple underscore val. So when we print it, we get the output like that. 1, 2, 3 data scientist. Output is similar, but the way you write the syntax or you write the code is sometimes different. First one is to call simple tuple, and second one is to call the tuple packing. So as a summary, we can say that there are 4 types of sequence data type that we have used in a Python: string, list, array, and tuple. So thank you so much guys for watching the video.